What's up, guys? So it's probably been a long time since I ever watched Lindsay's content. So this is probably the reaction. Probably the very first reaction I ever reacted to her channel. So this is two birds. Have achievement ship animatic. So I don't know why there's a YouTube update that YouTube shows like doesn't look. This removes the dislikes. Just like what's that? I just thinking that YouTube doesn't like dislikes, so it just like removes that. So this is the reaction on the animatic of this. So here's kind of like before we go into video, I might not ship Sniffles and mine, but I respect everyone's ship, including Lindsay. So my main favorite ship is Lammy and Mime, but I respect people who's shipping Sniffles and Mime. So this is the reaction thing. So okay. So it's made a very cut, so that's kind of cool and impressive. So further we do is just go on the video. Wow, that looks like kind of cool so far. I love this song so much though. Oh, wait. This is kind of cute. Seeing someone sleeping on like hammock. It's just adorable. Just look at him. He's adorable. Quitchy vibes. Quitchy. I know I'm actually hate Quitchy, but that line just gives me so much Quitchy vibes. So. Oh, this is just adorable so far. How much of oh, okay. Let me turn on the fan. Oh, this is adorable. Hope there's nothing bad happening to both of them. Birds on the wire. Oh, okay, Simple just looks adorable. I just cannot stop talking about how he just looks adorable. Just look at him. I felt like I was telling myself, hope nothing bad happens to him, and then this part just comes up like, oh damn. Oh damn. Poor Sniffles! Just look at him! I feel like Sniffles might be sick or something, or has a flu. I don't know. Oh no! Sniffles! Oh my god. Okay, wait, just sorry. This part just really makes me feel bad for him. Just look at him! It's just... Oh! Since Sniffles is my favorite character, it's just kind of sad to make him... see him being sad. Just... Oh! Oh dear! Oh, there comes the, like... Oh god. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh, he thinks about Sniffles. Oh yeah, he is. Oh. Sniffles! No! Oh no! Oh my god. Oh god! Oh dear! Oh no. Ah! Oh no, he's gonna fall off! Oh no, just please don't die! No! Sniffles! Oh my gosh! And there's a colored one. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's going to save him. He's going to save him. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, queen. Let's queen. Oh. Yeah. This is kind of sad so far. Or it probably is going to be like happy but sad at the same time. Like, oh my god. I just have some mixed emotions. It's just like, it's sad and happy. It's just, oh my gosh. Oh, there it are. Oh, there's Lumpy. Oh, there's Lumpy, Flippy, Lemmy, and Nutty. There they are. Oh. Sorry. This just, as a person who ships, I'm sorry. I heard that Lindsay doesn't ship Mime and Lemmy because she thinks that they're siblings, but like, Lemmy is a lamb and Mime's a deer, so they probably aren't siblings, but this just makes me want to ship them. This is just adorable. I know that Lindsay probably doesn't ship Mime and Lemmy, but she respects other people who ship Lemmy and Mime like me. It's just adorable. This is just adorable. Like, oh, this is the future? Oh. Oh. This is adorable. And that's the end of the animatic. This is adorable. Like, this is just heartbreaking. And it really wholesome that they survive in the end. Like, oh my god. Man, this kind of makes me want to subscribe to her, but it's personal because like, you know what? I just want to like this fucking video and just subscribe. Like, this is the masterpiece. This is what I call the masterpiece. I know that Lindsay really hates to be called as idol, but I just really love some of her arts and her animations or animatics. Now this time it makes me inspiring, want to make my own animatic, but don't have much ideas. So this is amazing. That's all for today, guys. Hope you subscribe to me. Also subscribe to Lindsay. I'm sorry. Hope you probably can subscribe to Lindsay. Lindsay. Sorry for like. I feel like it's kind of hard to pronounce her name. I hope you can subscribe to Lindsay Kyle. You can check out her content if you want to. It's just adorable. So, thank you for watching my video. Bye.